kind of got a little mess here we're going to clean up. So this needs cutouts further. I just started cutting it, but I want to get it cut to the stud and cut more on this stud and then on this stud, so we have a ability to put a new piece right there. We're going to take all this out and move the wire, move the light up. This just is an opening, it needs to be closed up, and then I just cut this out. I'm going to run a new wire for the GFCI switch. So let's go ahead and start running this wire through. Also, the other issue was this isn't working, so we're gonna have to pull that and see why, and maybe run a new wire for that. Who knows? We're gonna look at it here and see. All right, we'll do a little update here. So I've got the box in there, so cut it out, and this is the other end of the wire here. So basically screwed this onto this, then put this in, and then you screw here and here, and the little wings, they pull back against the wall. So that's nice and solid. You're good to go. And then I cut out the piece that's gonna fix this hole here, and then we got to cut out the piece for this to fix this hole once I get the wiring done in here. So we have to redo the wiring for the lamp now. That's next. All right, so let's get a little update here. So of course the plug's in. I've patched that hole up. Okay, now we just cut out this one. Put the light up higher like she wants. So the wiring's done. Put a switch on. But we got the drywall piece cut out to put up on here once we're done. So the last thing to figure out is why this doesn't work next. Alright, so we're running a whole new wire up here because the wire that was there was dead. It's just going to be easier just to go ahead and run a new wire now to connect to the switch and to try to figure out what happened to that, why that wire's dead. So that's what we're going to do here. This will be the wire here that's going to go to the switch. Alright, so this is the final. One coat of drywall so far, but we'll get that further later. This is the final production of the work. Perfect.